Hey everyone, you're going to continue working on the storyboards that you started yesterday. If you were gone yesterday or if you're a distance learner, I'm going to explain that assignment really quick. I'm also going to have a separate video that goes over level 1, level 2, and level 3 questions and examples because you're going to have to include that on your assignments. That'll be review for those of you who were here yesterday and new to those of you who weren't. Okay, so you are going to be creating a storyboard on the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 8th Amendments, and those are the ones that protect you as a U.S. citizen if you're ever accused of a crime, so the rights of the accused amendments. A storyboard will look like this. This is one for the Bill of Rights specifically, where it has the name of the amendment, within that box, a description of the freedoms and rights within that amendment, and then a picture to represent that information. This one has, this storyboard includes one for each and every amendment. You are just going to do one for the rights of the accused amendments, the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendment. If I'm explaining this to you for the very first time, I would highly recommend opening up the storyboard rights of the accused AC document. Those are going to be the instructions and the rubric to help you be successful. All right, so step 1, underline or highlight the freedoms and rights protected in each amendment in the text below. You're going to have to include a 3-sentence summary for each and every amendment. To get that information, you're going to use the text below. I would go ahead and start by reading that text, underlining or highlighting, or just taking note on a separate sheet of paper, the different freedoms and rights protected in each amendment. Then you're going to go ahead and use that to create a summary for each amendment. Remember, the summary should be at least 3 sentences long. All right, then you're going to have a picture for each and every amendment. Make sure that your picture is relevant to the freedoms protected in that amendment. You do not have to include color if you so choose. Make sure that your storyboard has a title. So if we go back to our example, this is their title, the Bill of Rights. You're going to want one that specifically targets the rights of the accused. So it could be like, what should I do if I'm convicted of a crime? Or rights of the accused amendments. As long as your title is relevant to the assignment, you're good to go. And then you need to include the essential question on your assignment. The essential question is listed right here on the assignment description. It's also right here on this post. How does the Bill of Rights protect the rights of the accused? So a good place to put that might be right below your title. Okay. Once you have your title, your summaries, and pictures written out, make sure that you identify the amendment that you're describing. So for example, if we zoom in super duper close, notice that this one right here has the summary and the pictures, and it also says the First Amendment. That way I know which amendment you're talking about. If this is super duper daunting for you, you're not a creative person, you don't know how to lay it out, here's an easy way to do it. Take your plain sheet of paper that you're going to make your storyboard on, fold it in half again, and then when you open it up, you have 4 separate boxes, one for each amendment. Make sure you just put the name of the amendment, your summary and picture somewhere on there. Put your title at the top. I would put my essential question right below the title. The last thing that you have will be a level 2 or level 3 question. That can go at the bottom or on the back. I'm going to have a separate video that just goes over level 2 and level 3 questions because it'll be a great review for people who were here yesterday. All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. If you're a distance learner, you're going to be turning this in digitally, so you'll just take a picture and send it to either my email, or you can send it directly to this phone number that's linked to my email as well. If you are not a distance learner, this will be due October 13th, which is Tuesday. So not this upcoming Tuesday, but the following. Just a reminder that your news reflections that were posted on Friday will also be due October 6th, and your test will be October 12th. If you have any questions, feel free to email this phone number, call, or text this phone number. Good luck, guys.